Hi everyone, this is Praveen Dure from Dice University, and in today's video we are going to take a look at why you shouldn't use Clickfunnels as your affiliate page. It sounds so interesting, right? It would be much more interesting if you watch this video till the end. And before we get started, please support us by hitting the subscribe button as well as the bell notification so you don't miss any of the amazing topics that we are going to talk in the Dice University's channel. So stay tuned. Hi everyone, how have you all been? I hope you all are doing great. Today's video is going to be about why you shouldn't use Clickfunnels for affiliate pages. There's been a lot of videos that we talk about why you should actually use Clickfunnels, right? So it's going to be a little bit different right now where we're going to talk about why you shouldn't use Clickfunnels for affiliate pages. For those who do not know what Clickfunnels is, I assume you guys know what Clickfunnels is, but if you don't know what Clickfunnels is a very easy to use drag to drop landing page builder. Since it's so easy to use, why you shouldn't actually use Clickfunnels for affiliate pages? The first major reason is because of its slow loading. If you're a media buyer, you build landing pages, you do ads, you would know the cruciality on how fast your page needs to load. If your page loads very slowly, you are losing a lot of leads. Let's say, for example, a person go ahead and click in your ad looks pretty interesting, so he clicks on your ad and he is being leaded to your landing page, and your landing page is taking so slow to load, which is a usual occurrence with the Clickfunnels. You know what will happen? That particular person will just go ahead and hit the exit button and exit out of your landing page, which means you will definitely get a lot of click rate, but you will not get any click-through rate. Your click-through rate would be bad, and that's bad for you, right? And this is one of the reasons why you should not use Clickfunnels. Another reason would be that Clickfunnels is actually designed for sales funnels. Regardless, I assume that we are actually talking about affiliate marketing, right? Because those who are actually interested in this channel would be those who are interested in affiliate marketing as well. So when we talk about affiliate marketing in general, we are not talking about sales funnels. Sales funnels would be more for people who's actually selling their own product, people who are doing something for marketing. That is what sales funnels is for. And you know that Clickfunnels is actually built for sales funnels. It's not built for affiliate marketers like us, like myself and you. It's not built specifically for us. It's built for sales funnels, and therefore it is not affiliate friendly. The next thing that we want to talk about Clickfunnels is that Clickfunnels has a very bad impression. When I say bad impression, a lot of you might be thinking, hey, Clickfunnels is one of the most well-known landing page builder there is. That's something that I cannot deny, definitely. But then Clickfunnels does has its bad impression. You know, Clickfunnels, it's not something which is easily customized. It will look very the same, and if people who actually regularly clicks on ads and goes to landing page, they would know what is a Clickfunnels landing page. And therefore there is a catch here. What the catch is that there is a lot of bad, or should I say scam product being advertised via Clickfunnels. I'm not blaming Clickfunnels for this. It's actually because those product owners who owns the scam products or the bad product, they actually use Clickfunnels to promote their product, and this actually leaves a very bad impression to the audience. The audience, when they take a look at the Clickfunnels, they know that, hey, it's something like I have seen before, and sometimes it's even the product that they have bought before and they got cheated and stuff like that. And this is why a lot of people do not like Clickfunnels. They have a very bad impression of Clickfunnels, especially the audience itself. The another reason why you should not use Clickfunnels is because Clickfunnels is actually a closed source landing builder. What do I mean by that? which means that you do not own your landing page at all. It might be a little bit surprising for you. What do you mean by you do not own your landing page at all? I pay money for ClickFunnels, and then I use ClickFunnels to build my landing page. And then how come landing page is not mine? Theoretically it's yours, definitely it's yours, but then it is still owned by ClickFunnels because everything is done behind ClickFunnels. It's not uploaded in cloud, it's uploaded in ClickFunnels cloud. So let's say if ClickFunnels experience any bug or ClickFunnels suddenly shut down, all your landing page goes in rubbish with ClickFunnels. The closed source of ClickFunnels is one of the reasons that why a lot of people does not go ahead and use ClickFunnels. And also, when we talk about closed source, like I told you before, when you're actually building a ClickFunnels landing page, there is a lot of limitations there because of this closed source which the ClickFunnels actually apply. And the next reason, like I told you before itself, the ClickFunnels were not designed specially for affiliate marketers. When I say it's not designed for affiliate marketers, it means that it is not affiliate friendly, which means if you are an affiliate marketer, I assume you are, regardless whether you're just starting your affiliate marketing journey or you're a pro affiliate marketer, you're a seasoned affiliate marketer, if you want to go ahead and build a landing page that you want to go ahead and use, the ClickFunnel would not be affiliate friendly because it's not built for this particular purpose. It was built for a different purpose, which is the sales funnels page. And then what are the alternatives? Since there's so many bad things about ClickFunnels that I have actually talked about. Actually, it's not bad thing. Everything has its own pros and cons. If you see whatsoever landing builders, right, there is always a pros and cons for that particular landing builder. And as an affiliate marketer, you should actually see which our landing page suits you, suits an affiliate marketer. And that's why this particular section is there for you, where we're going to talk about an alternative that you can actually go ahead and use regardless of ClickFunnels. And that alternative is actually Landerize. Landerize is actually a landing page. It's actually built by affiliate marketers for affiliates, which means definitely it's affiliate friendly, guys. So as an affiliate marketer, because it's actually built by an affiliate marketer, so he knows what a different affiliate marketer like you and myself need, so therefore it would be affiliate friendly. And Landerize is actually super fast. You can just go ahead and upload it in Amazon S3, which makes the loading process super fast. And also, since you uploaded it in the Amazon S3, you would be owning the landing page. Since Amazon is a very huge company, if you compare to ClickFunnels, Amazon is like crazy big, right? So the probability of Amazon shutting down or Amazon getting any bugs is pretty less if you compare to ClickFunnels. So that is why this particular landing page is actually owned by you, since you are uploading it in Amazon S3. And also they do have the exact features of the ClickFunnels, which is a drag and drop builder. It's so simplified that you can actually start using your landing page that you built. You just go into Landerize. There's like thousands of templates that you can use. I'm just exaggerating. There's hundreds of templates that you're using. I hope they make it thousand soon. So there's hundreds of templates that you can use, and you can simply build your landing page in less than 2 minutes. It's that easy, guys. So the link is actually in the description. So if you are interested to use Landerize to build your landing page, definitely go ahead and check out the link in the description of this video. It will straight away lead you to Landerize, where you can actually go ahead and use Landerize, get yourself familiarized with Landerize, and start building your landing page. So if you like this video, please hit the subscribe button, hit the like button, keep supporting us, and we will be back with another video very soon. So stay tuned, everybody.